So our cooker here is going to need a few adaptations because we found that although the reflectors inside were a good option, it was better to put some insulation in there and then line the inside of the drum with dark black material. So we painted that and put some food in there to start cooking, and we found we increased our temperature significantly, and we're going to do a little experiment with that
Here we
now.
are at the cooking experiment. We have put a insulated liner in our cooker and painted the inside black, and now the temperatures have reached close to 300 degrees, which is really quite a bit more than it used to be. See if I can get in here and pick up our little egg. The egg has really looks quite done. It's really browned. Let's check it out here. Oh, like a rock. Kind of overdone. So if you like a hard-boiled egg, we got us a hard-boiled egg. Anyway, tastes good. Okay, let me go inside here and see if I can get these containers out. This looks like it should be a chicken. And we may have to turn this off. Okay, it took a little effort to get the lid open. Here we got chicken in here that's very, very, very well done and tender. Look at that. Beautiful. Oops. There we go. This flakes off, so it's been cooking very well. I'm going to give it a try. You can't see it, but it tastes awesome. So we'll try some, get a few more things out. So we got some potatoes here, and they're very well cooked. Just smashed very nicely and easily. Everything cooked right down. So, very tasty. And then we have our, last but not least, our stew. You can see it actually boiled out with the lid there.
The chili got so hot that it began to blacken on the top of the lid, and so you can see it was quite hot. And so we're quite pleased with the temperatures that we're getting from the food and from using the glass jar. So the egg, the chicken, the chili, the potatoes that became very soft, like mashed potatoes almost. It became a great little meal, and we feel like there's a good success to show that the lining it with insulation and putting the black reflective black material rather than reflective material inside was a good alternative. So now we're going to try something else. We're going to try cooking some deer meat in this cooker. Actually, two front legs. We've got some Weber coffee rub, and found that it's a very tasty rub to put on deer meat. And we've covered it with onions and garlic and other such things.
So we got the pans in here now, and we're gonna get them start cooking. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning, so the sun is just coming up over the horizon and over the treetops, so starting to catch it with our solar grill oven. Had to tip it forward, but should be a good day for cooking, so we'll give it a try. We'll check back after a few hours. Okay, well, we're back here after a few hours. We're gonna open this up and see what became of our deer meat. We had a little bit of a bump where we lost some juice, but it looks like it's really good. So oh yeah, that really looks nice. See how tender it is. Oh my, it's just really nice and tender. Very well done. And very tasty, I might add. Well, that's about all for today. We've done a good job of cooking our legs of deer, and they came out quite well done. Our oven that we've converted from a drum or a grill works quite well as a prototype for future efforts, perhaps using a 55-gallon drum. We reached good temperatures of close to 300 degrees, so I think we've done very well. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.